Alright, here's just a real quick video on how you can add different documents or spreadsheets in our case to our Google Classroom page. Now both of the assignments for this week will be can view only, so you're going to work on the document by looking at the directions and then going and creating your own spreadsheet. Here's two different ways you can accomplish this task. First one, you'll notice now this is a different classroom page than ours, but it works the same way. I can go to Add, and I have access to anything from my Google Drive. So this would be for if you went over here to Google Drive. Let's say you had your folder set up, and then I went to New Google Sheet. And then, for instance, this first one is called Apple Store Product. So I'll just call that right here Apple Store Product. Now it's going to save it back on my drive, which is great. When I go to add it, I'm going to add here through Google Drive. It's going to let me search for everything that I've created on Google Drive. Now I can do a search that is going to be last opened by me, gives me the best chance of finding it the quickest. If it is not in a folder, then I can just come down here, and here is my Apple Store product. So when I click on this and I hit add, that adds it to our Google Classroom page. That way it works perfectly fine. That again is if you want to go to your drive and create it. You can also create right inside of the Google Classroom page, which is right here. So I can click on Create, and I can go down to Sheets. Now when this takes me to, this is going to take me to a new spreadsheet. I'm going to close this one out real quick. So I can go here. Then you'll notice that it takes a little bit of time, 5-10 seconds or so sometimes, and then it puts in my spreadsheet right here. So when I come back to the classroom page, I should see my directions up here and my spreadsheet down here. I can click Turn In. Either way it works. Adding is adding it from Google Drive. Creating it is creating it right inside of the Google Classroom page. All right, thanks a lot.